Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Brave Search to Vivaldi. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up the browser. Now, once done, go to the bottom left and click on the gear icon or the settings icon. Click on it, and the left panel right here, the new window, just click on search. Now, as you can see, we have the default search engine. And when we click on the drop down, we don't have Brave. Now, let's go ahead and manually add it. Okay, scroll all the way down until you find the search engine editor. Now scroll down a bit right here and just click on the plus sign to add in a new search engine. Okay. In the right panel, write down the URL https://search.brave.com. Okay. Leave the post parameters and the suggested URL. And once that's done, just click on set as default search. Okay. So let's go ahead and test it out right here. Close settings. Add in whatever you want. Hit on enter. And as you can see here, we are now using the Brave browser. 1+1. There you go. That is it. That's how simple it is to add Brave Search to Vivaldi. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.